Hi sir, my name is Don Franz Dormino and this is my calculator application created using Java and Android Studio. It features login screen and calculator with basic operations. Let's begin with the login screen. This is handled in main activity.java. It has two input fields, one for the first name and one for the last name. When login button is clicked, we use an intent to switch to calculator screen and pass the user's name. Now let's look the calculator logic in calculator activity.java. We first receive the user's name using the intent and display the greeting. That's more. Below that, there are two input fields for numbers and spinner where the user can choose an operation, add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Okay. Now, both screens use constraint layout with material design components like input edit text input layout, spinner, and button. Now, let's try out my calculator application. First, enter my name and last name. Click login. And kita diri ang greetings. On the calculator screen, I'll put two numbers, select an operation and tap calculate. Maning sa plus, sa minus, sa times, and divide. And that's all for my calculator application.